In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Slack. Let's get started by heading to slack.com in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, enter your workspace and login details so you land in your Slack workspace. Everything I'll show works the same on the Slack website and the desktop app, so use whichever you prefer. Once you're in Slack, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials. Click that profile icon. A small menu will open, giving you quick access to your personal settings and details. From that menu, click Profile. This opens your profile view, usually in a panel on the right side of the screen. Here you can see the information your teammates see about you, like your name, title, and contact details your organization allows. On the right side of this profile panel, click Edit. This switches your profile into an editable form. You're looking for the full name field. Click into that field and update your name exactly as you want it to appear across the workspace. Use proper capitalization and any accents you need. If your organization has naming guidelines, like including a middle initial or a team tag, follow those conventions here. Keep in mind that Slack distinguishes between your full name and your display name. Your full name is your formal name shown on your profile and in directories. Your display name is the shorter name that often appears next to your messages. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on your full name. After you've made your change, click Save Changes. Give it a moment and Slack will update your profile. You should now see your new name reflected in your profile panel. In most cases, this change appears instantly for your teammates. If you don't see it right away in channels, a quick refresh of the app can help. A couple of helpful notes. Some organizations restrict profile edits, so if the name fields are grayed out or you can't save, your workspace admin may control this setting. In that case, reach out to your admin and request the update. Also, if you're a member of multiple Slack workspaces, your name is set per workspace. That means you may need to repeat this update in each workspace where you want the new name to appear. That's it. You went to Slack, opened your profile, clicked Edit, changed your full name, and saved. Simple, quick, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your Slack profile accurate and professional.